Welcome to yoga. Meet me in a seated position on your mat. Place your hands on your knees. Shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Inhale. Exhale, shoulders roll down. 2 more times. Up and down. Last time, up and down. Gently close your eyes. Soften your jaw, your shoulders, and notice how you feel. Then blink your eyes open and extend your legs out in front of you, feet flat on your mat. Place your hands behind you and turn your fingers to point to the back of your mat. From here, lift up through your chest, roll your shoulders open, and this might feel like enough for you, then just stay. If you're ready to move on, scoot your hips towards your heels, keeping your hands where they are. Your mobility in your shoulders will look different from mine, so try not to compare yourself to me on the screen or really any other yogi. Your practice is your own. Find the place that you can hold and breathe that's also allowing you to open up through your chest and shoulders, giving you a really nice, enjoyable, but still intense stretch. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Meet me in extended child's pose. With your knees wide, arms long. Rest your forehead on your mat and take about 3 deep breaths to completely relax. Then slowly rise into a tabletop on your hands and knees. And find cow pose. Lower your belly, gaze forward. Most important, pinch your shoulder blades together to touch behind you. Inhale. Exhale to round your spine into a cat back and press up between your shoulder blades. Couple of breaths here. We're really using this cat-cow spinal wave to isolate our shoulder blades and the muscles between them. So come back to cow pose, belly drops, chin lifts, and pinch your shoulder blades together. Big inhale. Exhale to round your spine, cat back. Continue to breathe as you tuck your tailbone, pull your lower belly in, press up between your shoulder blades, creating as much space as you can in the top of your back. Then one more time, cow pose. Pinch your shoulder blades together behind you. Then cat back. Press up, create space. Well done. Now lower down onto your belly and extend your arms forward like super yogi, making a gentle fist with both hands. Keep your arms extended at a 45-degree angle and lift your left arm up, lean back, and open up into a twist. So your hips are going to lift up and then your legs will naturally scissor open. Even here in this twist though, your arms will stay active, so you're not resting down onto the mat. Keep your arms at that 45-degree angle and keep them active and lifted. This will help isolate your thoracic spine, your middle back. Relax the muscles in your face. This is new and different, but it should feel pretty good for you. Then using the strength of your core, rotate back to center and switch sides. Lifting up through your right arm, lean back, open up. Allow your legs to scissor open, and remember to stay active through your upper body so you're not relaxing back into gravity, but you're still using muscles to help support your top arm. Then rotate back to center. And extend your arms straight out in front of you, resting on the ground with your palms facing up. Now from here, before we do anything else, scoop your tailbone under, pushing your pelvis into the mat. And keep your forehead, chest, hips, and legs pressing down into the mat the entire time through this next exercise. Using your arms, see if you can lift them up to hover just an inch off the mat. If that's very difficult, you are still benefiting just by engaging your body in this pose, so stay there throughout the rest of this exercise if that is your challenge point. If you're ready to take it a step further, see if you can get your pinkies to touch. And then slowly open your arms up as if you were doing a snow angel on your belly. Keep going all the way behind you, rotating through your arms. Eventually bring your thumbs together to touch behind your lower back. Now bring it back up. Snow angel your arms all the way back up, slow and controlled. Arms stay lifting the entire time. Eventually your pinkies come together to touch in front of you. Now do that 4 more times with your breath. Exhale as your arms go down, slow and controlled. Thumbs come together to touch behind you. Palms still facing up. Inhale as your arms go up. Until your pinkies come together to touch in front of you, and keep it going. On your next time through, place your hands underneath your shoulders, press up into a tabletop. Then thread the needle. Thread your right arm through, coming all the way down to lie down on your right shoulder. Rest your head down on the mat. Then place your left hand on top of your right and work on straightening out both arms to help lift your left shoulder, encouraging a twist in your middle and upper back. Continue breathing deep in and out through your nose. Then gentle release, place your left hand down on the mat, lift up to de-thread the needle, and then reach your right arm all the way up to the ceiling, opening up through your chest, stacking your shoulders for a quick counter stretch. Inhale. Exhale to release your right hand back down and thread your left arm underneath. Come all the way through, then place your right hand on your left and then work on straightening out, especially your top arm, to help lift through your right shoulder. So this is more of an active twist. You'll get your resting twist in just a moment. So breathe enjoy where you are, because you're exactly where you need to be. And release. Place your right hand underneath your right shoulder, then de-thread the needle, reach your left arm up to the ceiling, opening up through your chest, stack your shoulders, big inhale. Exhale, release, come back to your tabletop. Then for puppy dog, walk your hands forward, keep your hips above your knees as you melt your chest down towards your mat. Eventually your forehead will rest on your mat and you'll breathe deep as a way to stay calm through this intense stretch through your chest and shoulders. Now slowly relax it back into a child's pose. Then thread your right arm underneath to relax and soften into a gentle twist. Replace your right hand and thread your left arm underneath. See if you can deepen your breath just enough to feel all the stretching sensation in your upper back. Then come back to child's pose and take about 3 deep breaths to relax. Thank yourself for committing to your practice today, for committing to your body, to your mobility and your longevity, because your body thanks you. Namaste.